Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you my April plan with me. I'm not usually a really floral person, but lately I have just been feeling the florals this year. I don't know if it's just I'm super ready for spring and to get out of the house and not feel cooped up anymore or what it is, but I've just been loving the florals. So I chose something that's really simple and it'll be really simple to recreate if you wanted to try something like this. And I am just using the Crayola Super Tip markers. These are really popular throughout the planner community and I now know why, because they're really simple to use. You can actually hand letter with them if you practice, and there's so many colors to choose from and I just love using them.
Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.
For all of the lettering in my videos and any small lining that I do, I use the Sakura Pigma Micron pens. I will have those linked down below.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you.
Here I'm trying to fill in the thicker spaces with an older calligraphy pen, but it just was not working the way I wanted it to, so I switched back over to my Micron pens to fill in the thicker spaces.
You can't turn off like a merry-go-round. My head is spinning. I see you rapping about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor. Late nights getting dipping like we're on our own run. Got the words no, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it's like time's been frozen still.
So I decided this month that I wanted to recreate the same layout that I did for last month's habit trackers. It takes up a lot less space and I really just love the clean lines that it has. So that's how I'm doing it again this month. I also included my YouTube ideas section on this page. I have one that is in the front of my planner, but I feel like it's kind of too far away from the month of April now. So I just added a little section to fill in ideas for the month of April and probably the month of May.
Time flies by so fast.
I do like to go back after all of my ink is really good and dry to erase any of my pencil marks.
How we used to run. Feels we're roaring. You said maybe it's love. It sure as hell was. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor. Late nights skinny dipping like we're on a home run. Got no worries, no, 'cause we're so young. We were so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no worries, no. We were so young. Now you're long gone. Now you're long gone.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used
So
to
far
it.
for each planner video, I add in a new spread of some sort. I had a packing list in last month's video. I have other things like that. For this month, I am doing a spring cleaning checklist. If you don't watch any of my other videos, I also do a lot of cleaning videos and cleaning motivation. So I just really wanted to make a special place specifically for spring cleaning because I have a lot of plans for the spring cleaning this year. I also do other like DIY videos, little projects, simple things like that. But if you are interested in spring cleaning motivation and ideas, definitely go check out my cleaning videos when you're done watching this one.
And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer when you left. It was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer.
So last month, and I believe in February, I included adding stickers to my planner. I kind of try to color coordinate them with the theme that I pick. I didn't do it this month. I'm not sure if that's something you guys really enjoy. If you do, let me know in the comments down below so I know to add it in future videos. I think I mention this every month, but this is one of the reasons I love the Happy Planner and having the bullet journal option is that I can take the pages out, draw on them, and then add them back in. I can add new things in throughout the month if I want to. I can switch things around. I can move them to different months, whatever the case may be. I love this option for this planner, and that's why I haven't quite just jumped into the bullet journal fully yet. I love the versatility of it.
I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button down below so you don't miss any future videos to come. Thanks guys.